Hey there, Nick here. We just bought a house today and we're gonna go take a look at it. Pretty excited. And while we're at it, it's real close to two other renovations that we're doing. So might go check in on those, see how work's progressing. And yeah, so join us. Should be a fun day. Alright, so it's a nice cold January day, first full working day of 2019, and we're starting the year off with a bang. This is the year of the REI, and yeah, so we got a property today, and we're driving over to it. Gonna check it out and figure out what we're gonna do to it, figure out how we're gonna put this house back together. It's kind of close to two other renovations we got going on, and it's been since last year since I went to go take a look at them. So we're gonna go also take a look at those and see the progress, see kind of what's going on with those. One of them's kind of wrapping up, getting close to the end, and the other one's about smack dab halfway through. So I'm excited to see the progress on those, check in on those, and then also see that house that we just got today. Okay, so I already had the cops called on me, which is awesome. I love buying houses in good neighborhoods. The neighbor was concerned that someone was trying to break in, and this locksmith right there absolutely was trying to break in, trying to rekey it and do all that kind of stuff. He's actually here. He's already inside. So that's the house. Okay, so yeah, we do have we got our hands full on this one, but that's how it goes. So other than that issue, I really like the house and really like the block. So off to the races we go. Going around here on the outside of the building. Siding looks awesome. Windows look good. Center section line looks good. Fence looks good. Back porch looks awesome. It's really cool, actually. It's out here, barbecue. Nice big yard. It's got a 2-car garage. Oh, sorry. Got a 2-car garage plus a carport. Nice new AC unit. House looks really good. Hey!
Hey guys!
Clara!
Clara, look at Dad! Hi!
How's it going? Okay, so I picked up a scraggler here. I picked up my daughter Clara. Say hey, Clara.
Hi.
And my dad delivered her to me. She wanted to come into the city and see the house. And we're also going to go take a look at the other two houses. What do you say?
Yeah.
And at some point, I got to get some lunch because I always forget to eat lunch.
I just ate lunch, but I'm still hungry.
Well, what if I bought you some chicken McNuggets? Would that be okay?
What do you mean by that? At where?
At McDonald's? Would that be okay?
Well, I'm not really hungry.
I thought you said you were just hungry.
I was just joking with you.
Anyway, off to the next one. Oh, getting a call. Okay, now we're gonna go into our property at 3928 Winnebago. This is a renovation we got going on. Let's follow Clara and see where's she going. Knock knock.
What do you say, big brother?
What's going on?
I'm Mark. How are you?
Hey, Timmy, what's up?
Not much. How's it going?
All right, how's it looking over here?
Double Bowers.
Turn out.
What do you say, Nate? How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you doing?
You ready for fun?
I did. How'd you guys? Did Santa get you everything you wanted?
Oh yeah. Well, you're gonna be surprised, actually.
Yeah. It's my brother Tim. He's a painter.
I know. We've already found him out.
Yeah. Likes them. Buyers in this price range really just want nice, clean, new, move-in ready type of housing. And that's what this is. So, there, like I said, we just put some new pools on them and keep the cabinets there, and they're in pretty good shape, so why not leave them? Sorry if I'm not focusing too well. Got a little nice mudroom back here. Everything's getting a fresh coat of paint. It's a nice 2-bedroom little house over here. And we're wrapping this guy up. Paint's one of the last things that we do. And this bedroom right here is a pretty big bedroom. Pretty nice. Claire, what do you think about this house?
I don't like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Which room would you pick if this was your house?
For my bedroom?
Yeah.
This one?
This one?
Yeah.
Cool, cool. All right, off to the next house.
Because it's a bedroom.
All right, this is the property on Oak Hill. It's a 2-family duplex. Turned out to be quite the project.
You keep saying Oak Hill, I mean Oak Hill.
Yeah, for the longest time, Clara thought it was, why would you want to kill an oak? She didn't understand it was Oak Hill, not Oak Kill. That's funny. Let's see if we can't get in.
Whoa, we're so high up.
There's not supposed to be anyone in here. Or a dog, for that matter.
That's funny.
Hello?
Come on in.
You got a friendly dog?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Some stranger with a camera just showed up. Well, did you get him over here?
Let's see. Okay, cool.
Absolutely. Yeah, they're coming tomorrow.
There you go.
Oh, a photo.
Alright. So, it's a nice little big bedroom down here with an egress door. Which, this is a really big room in here, so that's really cool. Nice closet. With, utilities, washer and dryer down here. So, yeah. This makes it pretty nice usable space down here for all kinds of fun stuff you can do. So what do you know, Bob?
Happy holidays.
Yeah.
How'd your holidays go?
Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Maria got sick, so when we got her sick, that was a really nice gift.
Did you get her sick? Guess that's a no.
Alright. Okay, so went to go take a look at a house that we bought today, and went to go take a look at 2 properties that we got under construction. The one on Oak Hill is a 2-family we bought a couple months ago. Been working on it. We have been slow to do stuff on that one because we were thinking we were going to sell it, and then we decided, okay, I guess we'll just keep it. And that whole process took 6 weeks. I don't know why it took that long, but it just, are we going to sell it? Are we going to keep it? Are we going to sell it? Are we going to keep it? And finally we just said, you know what? We're just going to go ahead and start fixing it up. And so we're about 6 weeks in on that one. And to be honest, we're actually pretty far along with that. So we really only have like 2 weeks left on that unit, and then maybe another 2 weeks on the other unit. So within a month, we'll probably be able to be ready for occupants on that. Winnebago is almost done to the home stretch. The problem with that is all the rest of the stuff that we got to get done is outside work, and it's hard to do when it's 30 degrees outside. So we've got to wait for a warm day and button up the outside, put some furniture on it, take some photos, put that stuff around the market. That's going to turn out pretty good. Nice little classic little bungalow in the city, but the outside work still needs to be done before we can do that. So it's going to take a little bit. And then the one today we got, actually pretty excited about that. There's obviously a lot of work to do on the inside on that one, but I think we'll be okay. I think we can set a good scope of work, set a nice renovation budget, tear it out, do what we need to do to it, put it back together. And I like that block. I like the house. The outside is pretty much done, doesn't need anything. And it's got a nice big backyard, 2-car garage with a carport. I think that will fly off the shelf. I think it's going to be a really good property for us. So, yeah. And along the way, I picked up Clara. Daddy-daughter day, huh? And we get to, you going to come into the office and help me do some paperwork?
Yeah.
All right, so she is going to be my little apprentice today. And remember when I was a kid, I would go into work with my dad, and it would be like a real special day. It'd be kind of fun. You having fun today?
Yeah.
All right, so that's a day in the life of a rehabber. Constantly picking up new properties, constantly fixing up properties, constantly selling properties. Try to keep it all straight and all the ducks in the air. What's the term? All the balls in the air. Keep all my ducks in a row. That's what we're trying to do. So, anyway, nice little day. Good way to start out the new year. Nice busy day. On the first full day of being back in action. Here's to a good 2019. Happy New Year. And we'll see you later.